Hi, I'm Rob Fulmer at Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, and one question that I get asked a lot as a car salesman is how do I unprogram my universal garage door opener in my GMC Terrain? So today I have a 2019 GMC Terrain Denali, and I'm going to show you how to do that. This information is great because you don't want a vehicle that you don't own hooked up to your garage. To start the unprogramming process, all you do is take two fingers and simultaneously press the two outside buttons, which are 1 and 3 here. Hold it for about 10 seconds, and this solid orange light is going to start flashing, like so. When it does, you know that the vehicle has now been unpaired and you're no longer linked up to any kind of garage door. And just so you know, if you were to trade in your vehicle with us, before we resell it to someone else, our GM technician would do this process, but this is just for if you were to sell it privately or sell it to another dealership. For more tips and tutorials, please subscribe to my channel today.